guys, I made some ornaments tonight and they're real easy. um, like this one. It's just a pink ornament with diamond dust on top and then the lace trim. And I did a couple of those. Another pink one, diamond dust lace trim. And this one was a white one with diamond dust and lace trim. So those are so easy. And this one, I took an ornament from Michael's, put some pearls in there, took some lace, and that's it. And this one in the middle, I shouldn't even show this one because all this is diamond dust. It's just so pretty, and you know, with the Christmas tree lights, it's gonna really be shiny and pretty. I like shiny objects. And this one also has diamond dust. I put a pearl center in the middle, and I put cheesecloth on the back, folded it over in front, put eyelash trim around it, add some flowers, and that's it. And it's just, to me, it's so shabby, and I love it. It's so simple. And this one, same ornament type, and I want to say gauze. It's not gauze. I just had it and I can't remember it. Oh, my mind is going. I just took an image from Pinterest, added a heart-shaped pearl, put a poinsettia flower on the bottom, more eyelash trim, put this trim on the whatever cap, and flat back pearls, and that's it. So I might do a few more of these because I just love the shabbiness of it all. Real easy and shabby. Can't ask for anything simpler. Okay, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm just so sleepy. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping by.